As the Supreme Court prepares to hear arguments in a major abortion case later this year, more than 500 athletes and coaches, as well as the players' unions for two major women's sports leagues, said in an amicus brief filed Monday that forcing people to carry pregnancies to term would reverse major gains in gender equality in sports. Without the constitutional guarantee of reproductive freedom, many women athletes would be forced to sacrifice their athletic pursuits, and progress made toward gender equality in sports would be reversed, the brief states. The filing includes U.S. women's national soccer team players Megan Rapinoe, Becky Sauerbrunn, and Lynn Williams, WNBA stars Sue Bird, Diana Taurasi, and Lashia Clarendon, and hundreds of other high school, collegiate, and professional athletes who have exercised, relied on the availability of, or support the constitutional right to abortion care in order to meet the demands of their sport and unleash their athletic potential. The Women's National Basketball Players Association and the National Women's Soccer League Players Association are also named as friends of the court in the brief.
As women athletes and people in sports, we must have the power to make important decisions about our own bodies and exert control over our reproductive lives, Rapinoe said in a statement provided to BuzzFeed News. Physically, we push ourselves to the absolute limit, so to have forces within this country trying to deny us control over our own bodies is infuriating and un-American and will be met with fierce resistance. The case before the court, Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization, concerns a Mississippi law that prohibits nearly all abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy. The state is calling on justices to overturn Roe v. Wade and Planned Parenthood v. Casey, the 1992 opinion that held that states could not ban abortions before the viability point, which is usually around 24 weeks. The court is set to hear arguments in December and will consider the question of whether any ban on abortion before a fetus can survive outside the womb is unconstitutional.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe,